Step 1. Press the clip on the terminal and unplug the switch cable. Step 2. Plug the controller cables. Remove the screws to take off the controller. Unplug the blue cable on the controller. And unplug the red cable here. Put the controller aside. Step 3. Get a wrench and pry the broken switch out. When the switch is pushed outward slightly, pry it out of the frame. Remove the power cord. Step 1. Remove the ground wire screw here. Step 2. Pull out the power cord forcefully, or use pliers to pull out the power cord. Remove the power cord. Install the new switch. Step 1. Insert the replacement red cable into its center. Step 2. Insert the new switch here. Push the switch into the frame. Install the new power cord. Step 1. Install the clip onto the power cord to secure the power cord. Step 2. Insert the power cable into the frame. Keep the clip horizontally and use a plier to push the power cord into the frame. Use a plier to turn the power cord clip clockwise to secure it. Plug in the switch cable. Step 1. Plug the blue cable into the left side of the switch. Plug the red cable into the right side of the switch. Plug the red cable into the ACL port on the controller. Plug the blue cable into the ACN port. Align the two screw holes to install the controller. Step 5. Turn the screws clockwise to secure the controller. Step 6. Connect the 3 ground wires together and fix them to the frame with screws. Turn the screw clockwise.